Hello, welcome back. Dear student, you see in my previous videos I have already discussed about the out of the five ocean, the one ocean I have already discussed the Pacific oceans. The remaining oceans I will be discussed here. So stay with me. That is the second largest ocean. That is the Atlantic oceans. Will be discussed the Atlantic oceans. See, uh, Atlantic Ocean it is the second largest oceans. This is the something sketch of the Atlantic Ocean. I have drawn it here. So to make you understand. So Atlantic Ocean, the shape of the Atlantic Ocean is like S shape. The this shape is like S shape. See the Atlantic Oceans, which is shape is S shape. This Atlantic Oceans uh, from the from the Arctic to Antarctic, the flowing that is shape is look like S, and it is the Atlantic Oceans which is bounded by North America, South America in the west side. Even we see that in the Atlantic Oceans, in the east side, we supposed to get the Europe and Africa. We are getting here Atlantic Oceans. See, so in the middle of the Atlantic Oceans, there is a reeds that is called the mid-Atlantic reeds. Are saying here mid-Atlantic reeds. These reeds are there like that only the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. There is a one reeds. So that is called the mid-Atlantic reeds. So here is the uh, here is forming the high peak in the mid Atlantic reeds, forming the huge number of the high peak which make the which make the which form the island, which make or form the island forming, which form the island. So this is the Atlantic Oceans is the busiest, it is the busiest oceans for the trade and commerce, busiest. And the old, it is the in the old best seaport we are able to see it here like Montreal, Montreal, Montreal seaport, New York seaport. We can see the London seaport. We are able to see in the Atlantic Ocean. So this is something about the Atlantic Ocean. Come to the Indian Oceans. It is the something about the map about the Indian Oceans. The Indian Oceans, which is bounded by Asia in the north side. Even we see that in the west side there is Africa, and the east side we get the Australia. The two important part of the Indian Ocean, there is Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. This is uh, about the Indian Oceans. Now come to the Antarctic Ocean. This is Antarctic Oceans, which is also called the Southern Ocean, which called also the Southern Ocean. It is bounded by the continent of Antarctica. That means this is the Antarctica or Antarctic Oceans, which is bounded by the continent of Antarctica. So even we see that this is the Antarctic Ocean, which is formed by merging with the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean in the south side. So this is the something about the Arctic Oceans. So come to the Arctic Oceans. It is in the line the North Pole, in the North Pole, that is bounded by or surrounded by North Pole. Even we see that in this Arctic Oceans, in the south side there is Europe, Asia, and North America are there. So in the border of this Arctic Ocean, south border of the Arctic Oceans, we are see the continent of North America, Asia, and Europe. This is the Arctic Oceans called the frozen. This is the called frozen island also saying, because throughout the year in the Arctic oceans are uh, throughout the year there is throughout the year there is no sunlight are falling there. That means away from the sunlight. That is called the frozen. Frozen island chain. So this is something about the oceans we have discussed in that class. So hopefully you understood. Thank you.